2001, with the little poops, Dashel, 6 o'clock in the morning. And he decided to wake up a little early today. Holy shit, man. What?
I just saw somebody fall.
What?
I just saw somebody fall. And he was moving around and he was all scared and he was falling out the window.
How could you see somebody fall from here, baby?
It's the right building. He fell out the window. Somebody fell. His arms and legs, he's flailing around. He was terrified.
He fell out of the building?
He fell out of the building.
This is insane. Well, I'm sure that there's all kinds of... Oh my god, look at that thing falling out of the side of that building. I don't think the building will collapse. I mean, the building is too well made. Baby, the World Trade Center is gone. Kira.
Anthony, this is over the building.
Kira, the building is gone.
You can't see anything.
This is fucking crazy, man. The building is gone.
Anthony, get inside. Get inside.
Baby, what are we... Holy shit, man.
It's the end.
It's not the end.
Yeah, it is.
Man, those crazy, crazy, crazy bastards.
Why do they want to kill everybody?
Because they, I don't know, man, but that really, I don't know what to say. There's nothing that we can watch on television because there is no TV anymore.
We have to shut the window.
Holy Christ.
Minimize the loss of life as much as possible. Again, I can also tell you that the entire nation is on its